Hey y'all, it's Natalie, and I have another cherry on top crafting unboxing video for you guys. So I have a lot of fun new things happening. So let's open this box. I have this. This is from Hawthorne Handmade, and it is a wool bundle. It's not itchy wool like I think of when you put on your wool sweater. It is beautiful felting wool, and I got this bundle, which is like rainbow colors. I have been getting into felting lately. I found that sculpture felting is really difficult, and I'm gonna work my way up, but I'm doing wool felting paintings, and I find that they're much easier to learn to do. And this is so soft and beautiful and such gorgeous colors. And a little goes a long way on those paintings. And so I'm excited to kind of talk about that with you guys and show you what I've been learning with felting 3D fiber paintings. So super excited about that. And so I have a few more felting goodies in my package here. So let's see. I have some felting needles here. Now, I will say I'm new to this and I don't really know all the ins and outs. And so this is clearly different sizes of needles here. They are delicate. I've already broken one, but they have these little barbs. I don't even know if you can see them. Yeah, there you go. You can see them. So there's multiple barbs. And the whole idea is you stick a foam pad beneath whatever you're working on and you just stab it into the felt, and it tangles the felt up into a tangled mess of ball, and then it stays in one place. So you can felt sculpturally, or you can felt onto an embroidery hoop, or you can felt onto a sweater. And so these are clearly different sizes. I'm not entirely sure if that's for more delicate work. Maybe the smaller they go. I'm gonna have to do my research, but I was just looking for a few different needles because, like I said, I've already broken one, so I want to have a backup on hand. But yes, they are very sharp. Well, here you go. The 40 is extra fine detail felting, sculpting, and smoothing. 38 is medium coarse felting, and 36 is fast felting. Okay, I love that. That helps. So I've been working on a canvas, and I've been doing the large areas. So I guess I would use the 36, and then kind of finish it with a 38, and then go in on the edges probably with a 40, which I've been doing them all on the same needle. So I'll be interested to see if this makes it easier. So that's exciting. Got a little Christmas gift. Crafting is always a good idea. Yes, this is true. We know this. So I have had some of these before, and they've just kind of been lost. A kid took one probably, but I also have one that's been getting clogged. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get some more misters. So some misters to replace some. I love that product. I have a lot of All and Create in here this month. I'm excited for that. I was thinking about it being the end of the year, and kind of looking back on the year, what we did and everything. And I thought, I want to document more of my reading. I had cut back on my reading goal for the year, and then I've already exceeded it. And I've been really into listening to my audiobooks. So I thought, okay, I'm going to get a few things to help me document my reading and my favorite books. So I got this cute little photo play sticker sheet, and this is called Book Club. And so it was just a bunch of phrases. And one time I created a really cute page about the shows, and I think mostly shows. We mostly watch shows. The shows that we have been watching, and kind of put our stars on them. And so I thought, well, I could do that with my books that I've been reading, and just do one big compilation page of them. And that would be really fun. I don't really feel the need to do an ongoing thing because I'm not a great ongoing project person, although we're going to talk a little bit more about that in a few minutes. And so I also got these cute little Lawn Fawn book dies. So there's just a stack of books, and a little tassel bookmark. And I think that I can use them for a lot of things. I could use them just for anything in general. Of course, I think a stack of books are cute, but also I could use them for, it looks like they're all individual also, which I love, because then you could just use a couple or whatever, and you could do different colors. And so a stack of books for Christmas layout, stack of book for a back to school layout, you know, I feel like they're going to be really versatile. So that is from Lawn Fawn. I've had my eye on this. I had it in my cart last month and I didn't grab it. And then I was like, you know what, we're doing it. 49 at Market, Bird Song. I just love the solids. I'm always a big fan of the solid packs from 49 at Market. So I'm going to, not even open it, because you can just kind of see like all the pictures. But you know what? It matches this like absolutely perfectly, doesn't it? And I didn't even really plan that. So let's see. I don't know if I was just like filling, I don't know why I picked this up, but I love it. It's Floral Bits from Simple Vintage Fresh Snow by Simple Stories. And so pine cones, greenery, white flowers. I'm going to be using this a lot. This is gorgeous. I love this. Let's get into the All in Crate, because I think that's all I have left. I didn't have a lot of paper crafting this month. I had a lot of other things, which, I mean, this is paper crafting too, but so I got these new dies from All in Crate. Well, I don't know if they're new, but they're new to me, and they're like edge dies, but also a Memorydex die. So I noticed that they had this new Memorydex card holder, and I had refrained from doing a yearly project for a couple years now because I'm terrible at it. I'm terrible at following through. I have done memory planners in the past, and I'll get halfway through the year and then not finish it. I'm the worst. And so I took a break for a couple years, but I decided I'm ready to disappoint myself again and to try something new. And I know my friend Jessica does 52 I forget what she calls it, but it's basically like you do one card a week of like a good memory, a favorite memory, just something that happened that week, a notable memory. I don't really know, whatever you want to pick. And so heck, I could do a book that I read that week, right? And then you do it in a memory box. So I've done this before, and I have it sitting right here because I got it out recently, and you could see I didn't finish it. It was a Memorydex The Halls, and I mean, that's fabulous, right? And here we go, the title, and then we got one, and I put little pictures on, and I think I even did journaling on the back of some, and like, you know, a picture to go in there, my Spotify, my Starbucks, and then it fizzled after day 10, you know, story of my life. But you can tell I created my own box, right? So I put cardboard in there. I put little straws in there, and like, that was it. And you could actually even put the top on. And I could go back and finish that, no problem. But again, I decided that I was ready. So I'm going to try it for 2025. I'm going to create a Memorydex. I'm going to try to just do one card per week, and it will fill up this little box is the idea of it. And this looks like it's just MDF, and I think it's plain. I'm hoping it's plain, so I can kind of do whatever treatment that I want, on it. And, you know, basically the exact same concept as I just showed you of my box. I'm going to assemble it. I have the front. Oh, okay. So it looks like a house on the front. I did not notice that in the picture. That's interesting. They don't even have it decorated as a house on the packaging, but it definitely looks like a house, I think. So, we'll see, but that'll work, right? Cause like, it's about my house and my family, and like, I spend a lot of time in my house. I don't really leave my house very often. So it looks like you have, you know, your front, your back, your sides, and then you'll put your dowels in, and this obviously holds them off of the ground a little bit, or the bottom of the box. So you have room to flip through your cards. So I'm excited about it. But this goes with it, and it's Memorydex cards. Now I do have a Heidi Swap Memorydex die from way back in the day when I was doing that. You can also, you know, find them on like the internet, you know, like a cut file. That's what I'm looking for. You can get a cut file for them. And I actually just have the bottom of it, 'cause that's really all you need. And then you can do whatever shape you want from a cut file, and just you can even use your own dies and just cut out the bottom. And again, here you go. You just have it you just need the bottom. All you need is this 2 little notches to be able to stick it in to your holes. So here, I'll show you. This is the one I have from Heidi. It actually comes, one is like this, and then one is like this. So I have 2 from her, but I like it. You know what? Because this is different. You can see. So this one is like a stitched square, a rounded corner square, and then this is just the insert. So this is just like a layer piece that goes on it. So it's definitely different from these other 2. So now I have like 3 options to choose from. Or again, you can do your Cricut or your silhouette and just add this to the bottom and do any shape you want. And so it'll be like fun and different. And I like to add little tabs at the top and stuff to add interest and like be able to flip through. Oh, look, that's day 12. So I went a little further than day 10. I just had them out of order. I think it fell off the shelf. But anyway, I'm excited. And so how fun is this? So you can do like different little borders and you just attach them to this or attach them to that. And you just have like different borders. And I can use these for so many things like tags. This one is like very fine. Like a very, I don't even know how that's going to cut out. Honestly, I'm not sure if you like kind of layer them up. I'm gonna have to play around with this, but we have stars, we have like a notebook paper, we have like little dots. That'd be cute to sew through. We have some bubble dots. We have bigger, different notebook paper edge and like a ripped edge, just distressed. So I think that's fun. I can't wait. I'm gonna play with it. And, you know, if I want to make more than one in a week, I can, and we'll see how far I get with that. So, also, All & Create was like, you know, they're hit or miss for me. And then I had to eat my words after I literally thought that, because I was like, oh, wait, they have a lot of cool stuff. And I didn't even get everything that I wanted to from them. But I tried to reel it in because, you know, it's like almost Christmas. We've been doing all kinds. But I have their Cirque Trio stamp, and I adore it. I use it all the time. So I thought like another distress stamp, something I would use with mixed media backgrounds would be great. And so I liked this one, and I liked that there were 3 different ones. And I think this is going to be another one that's I'm going to get a lot of use out of. So I was excited to get that. And that one is called, what is that one called? Gridlock Gallery. That's fun. And then let's finish this up with rub-ons. I love their rub-ons. They're beautiful. And so this one is like a travel theme a little bit. Wanderlust Passport. And so you have your butterflies and then some map images, which are really in like a bunch of beautiful colors, like watercolor vibes, which, I mean, if you know this about me, but I have a watercolor tattoo on my foot. So I'm into that for sure. And then on this other side, I loved this bit and like some frames and numbers and just like, again, some mixed media things. That says art. But I love the colors in this. And then this matches it. And it's called Rose Revery. And they had a bunch of these different tags and what do you call it? Film strips and things. And then they had a bunch of different color themes. But I picked this one. They had some browns, they had some more true rainbow, they had some just like color block, but this one was kind of rainbow, beautiful prism type things. We have some film strips, we have tickets, and these are just, I think they're very versatile. I think I'll be able to use these on so many projects. They're totally my vibe, and I'm loving them. So I'm excited about these. You have a dark one here. Like a bunch of tickets, banners, just different like little things. So I'm loving this. Like I said, they have quite a few. I'll link down below with my affiliate links for these All & Create products. I will link below with the Memorydex products and any more that I see in the store. And let me know if you're interested in more details, and I can maybe go into a better plan, formulate a better plan, and talk about it more in a separate video, perhaps, of the yearly Memorydex that I think that I'll be doing. And I do think that, like I said, my friend Jessica Michaels, I think she'll be doing it again in 2025 as well. And I'm like, you know what? That seems doable, right? One tiny little card a week. We can do that, right? We'll stay tuned to see how long we stick with that. So I'm excited to try these new products. Clearly, I'm kind of going in a few different directions and I have new things going on. So let's craft together, guys. Links down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.